G'day everyone, it's Chriso. We are starting another bathroom this morning. This has been a bit of a stuff up by another tiler. He walked off. He'd only just started it. He'd started waterproofing and he got paid $1,000 deposit and walked off. You get that in the trade circle sometimes. So what's happening now is I've come in, I've set a price with the owner. I'm going to be going over that waterproof. I need to trim this, like that's shitty. I'm going to be doing a subway tile, so it needs to be flush, so I'll fix that up. I'll be re-waterproofing. My floor will be stuck down, I'll be screening it and then waterproofing. With that drain there, I'll be trimming it so it's a little bit shorter so I can fall my tile into the end. It'll be mited, my tile from, I'll cut it about there, and it'll be going up to there to nothing. It'll look pretty cool, but I need to get my water down there successfully. You'll see when I do it. This isn't getting tight, this is just going to be a splashback there and a skirting tile of subway tile, a couple high. I'm going to be putting in my water stop. What I want to do, or what I need to do, is bring it back a little. So my bed will actually go across there slightly and then fall to my waist, because I want this to be on flat ground so I can silicone it nicely. Okay, as I get into it, I'll come back to you to show you what I'm doing. See that? Now that is real shitty. See that? That is real shitty. So I'll be screeding my whole floor and then waterproofing on top. I do like to waterproof on top of my screed when I'm doing a long drain like that. Okay, I'll get back to you soon. See ya, bye.